The world is changing. Our reliance on fossil fuels is unsustainable. We need to move towards cleaner and more renewable sources of energy. Traditional electrical panels designed for a centralized grid are becoming outdated. They are not equipped to handle the rise of distributed energy resources. These resources include solar panels, wind turbines, and home energy storage systems. The future energy landscape will be vastly different. It will be decentralized, digitized, and decarbonized. This shift is being driven by several factors. These include climate change, technological advancements, and geopolitical shifts. As we look towards 2040, the energy landscape will be almost unrecognizable. This transition is not without its challenges. We need to ensure energy security, affordability, and accessibility for all. This requires a fundamental rethink of our energy infrastructure. It also demands collaboration among governments, businesses, and communities. The future of energy is not just about new technologies, it's about a new way of thinking. The energy sector is undergoing a profound transformation. Geopolitical factors are playing a critical role in this shift. Countries are seeking to reduce their dependence on volatile energy markets. They are looking for ways to enhance their energy security. This has led to a diversification of energy sources and supply routes. The rise of renewable energy is also reshaping global power dynamics. Countries with abundant solar and wind resources are gaining geopolitical leverage. This is leading to new alliances and partnerships. The energy landscape is becoming increasingly complex and interconnected. Traditional energy exporters are facing new challenges. They need to adapt to the changing energy landscape to remain competitive. This includes investing in renewable energy technologies and developing new export markets. The geopolitical implications of the energy transition are far-reaching. They will continue to shape the global order for decades to come. Clean energy technologies are rapidly advancing. They are becoming increasingly cost-competitive with fossil fuels. Solar and wind power are now the cheapest forms of new electricity generation in many parts of the world. This is driving a rapid increase in their deployment. As these technologies continue to mature, their cost is expected to decline even further. The transition to clean energy is essential for addressing climate change. Renewable energy sources produce little to no greenhouse gas emissions. This makes them critical for mitigating the worst effects of climate change. Governments and businesses around the world are recognizing the urgency of this transition. They are setting ambitious targets for renewable energy deployment. The clean energy transition is not only about reducing emissions, it's also about creating new economic opportunities. The renewable energy sector is creating millions of jobs worldwide. It is driving innovation and economic growth. The shift to clean energy is an investment in a healthier and more prosperous future. Hydrogen is emerging as a promising energy carrier for the future. It offers a clean and versatile alternative to fossil fuels. Hydrogen can be produced from renewable sources, making it a carbon-neutral fuel. It can be used in a variety of applications, including transportation, power generation, and industrial processes. One of the key advantages of hydrogen is its ability to store and transport energy over long distances. This makes it an ideal solution for balancing intermittent renewable energy sources. Hydrogen can be produced when there is an excess of solar or wind power. It can then be stored and used when renewable energy generation is low. The development of a robust hydrogen economy requires significant investment in infrastructure. This includes hydrogen production facilities, storage tanks, and transportation pipelines. Governments and industry leaders are increasingly recognizing the potential of hydrogen. They are making significant investments to accelerate its development and deployment. Section 5. Louisiana, a case study in innovation. Louisiana, a state traditionally known for its oil and gas industry, is emerging as a leader in the clean energy transition. The state is leveraging its existing infrastructure and expertise to become a hub for hydrogen production and utilization. The Fuel Initiative, a $160 million NSF-funded project, is a testament to Louisiana's commitment to energy innovation. This initiative brings together researchers, industry partners, and policymakers. They are working together to advance hydrogen technologies and develop a sustainable hydrogen economy. Louisiana's abundant natural gas resources can be used to produce blue hydrogen. This is a low-carbon form of hydrogen produced from natural gas with carbon capture and storage. The state's strategic location on the Gulf Coast also makes it an ideal hub for exporting hydrogen to other parts of the country and the world. Louisiana's energy transition is creating new jobs and economic opportunities. It is positioning the state as a leader in the global clean energy economy. Section 6. The power of AI in energy. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is playing an increasingly important role in the energy sector. It's being used to optimize energy systems, improve efficiency, and enhance grid reliability. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data from sensors, smart meters, and weather forecasts. This allows them to predict energy demand, optimize energy generation, and detect potential faults in the grid. AI-powered smart grids are more resilient and responsive to changes in energy supply and demand. They can seamlessly integrate renewable energy sources and manage the complexity of distributed energy resources. AI is also being used to develop new energy technologies and materials. For example, AI algorithms are being used to design more efficient solar panels and batteries. The application of AI in the energy sector is still in its early stages. However, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we produce, distribute, and consume energy. Section 7. The importance of cross-sector collaboration. The energy transition is a complex undertaking that requires collaboration among a wide range of stakeholders. Governments, businesses, research institutions, and communities all have a role to play in this transition. Governments need to create supportive policy frameworks and provide incentives for clean energy investment. Businesses need to develop and deploy innovative energy technologies and business models. Research institutions need to conduct cutting-edge research and development to advance the frontiers of energy technology. Communities need to be actively involved in the energy transition process to ensure that their needs and concerns are addressed. Collaboration among these stakeholders is essential for overcoming the challenges and maximizing the opportunities of the energy transition. Platforms for dialogue, knowledge sharing, and joint initiatives are crucial for fostering collaboration. By working together, stakeholders can accelerate the deployment of clean energy technologies and create a more sustainable and equitable energy future. Section 8. Financing the Green Revolution. Financing the global energy transition will require significant investment from both the public and private sectors. Governments can play a catalytic role by providing seed funding, creating favorable investment environments, and issuing green bonds. Private sector investment, however, will be essential for scaling up clean energy deployment to the levels needed to meet global climate goals. Impact investors, venture capitalists, and traditional financial institutions are increasingly recognizing the financial viability of clean energy projects. The declining cost of renewable energy technologies, coupled with supportive government policies, is making clean energy investments increasingly attractive. Innovative financing mechanisms such as green bonds, crowdfunding, and blended finance are also playing a role in mobilizing capital for the energy transition. It is important to ensure that financing for the energy transition reaches developing countries. These countries often face greater challenges in accessing capital for clean energy projects. International cooperation and financial assistance will be crucial for ensuring a just and equitable energy transition for all. Section 9. A brighter energy future. The future of energy is bright. The transition to a cleaner, more sustainable and equitable energy system is underway. Driven by technological advancements, geopolitical shifts, and the urgent need to address climate change, the energy landscape is undergoing a profound transformation. Clean energy technologies such as solar, wind, and hydrogen are rapidly becoming more affordable and efficient. AI and digitalization are optimizing energy systems, improving grid reliability, and creating new opportunities for energy management. Regional initiatives like Louisiana's Fuel Project are demonstrating the potential for innovation and collaboration in the energy sector. The path to a sustainable energy future requires a collective effort from all stakeholders. By embracing innovation, fostering collaboration, and ensuring a just and equitable transition, we can create a world powered by clean, affordable, and accessible energy for all.